The control panel is the main interface for managing device hardware and system settings. Administrators can view and modify the basic settings of the system through the control panel. The control panel provides comprehensive functions. In the Connection and Access module, you can personalize settings for users, files, devices, domains, terminals, etc., facilitating diverse privilege management and access control. On the user page, you can add new users and perform editing and deletion operations for users already on the device. Clicking on the Permission Viewer on the right side, you can view the permissions of all users on the device. Users and folders can be filtered and queried for quick localization. In the advanced settings, you can set the password strength rules and check them according to your personal needs. You can add, edit and delete the user group modules. You can filter and query user groups and shared folders in the Permission Viewer. You can manage the general settings of protocols related to file sharing services through File Services. After enabling the relevant options, users of Windows, Mac OS and Linux can access UGREEN NAS over the network. When you are in an intranet state, you can customize the domain name and access it directly through the browser without remembering the local IP address. If you want to access the device anytime and anywhere, you can enable UGREEN Link Service or DDNS support for extranet links. In the portal settings, you can change the desktop background on the web and customize the web port. In the Advanced Settings section, you can decide whether to enable it based on your personal preference. When your UGREEN NAS becomes a directory client, you can manage domain or LDAP users' access to files, folders, and services on the DSM. Additionally, you can assign administrative privileges and home directories to domain or LDAP users. After enablement, you can use the terminal to log in and manage your system. Telnet and SSH access is exclusively available for accounts with administrative privileges. When enabling the terminal function, it is recommended to set a strong password for the login account and enable auto-blocking to enhance system security. Set up Telnet and SSH according to your personal preference.